This is the thing about van life. My diesel heater is not working again. I actually refilled it, and this is the extra diesel heater. Let's try it again. E03 error code, so I have to change the glow plug this time. I have a replacement part. This is my toolbox, so I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna remove the diesel heater. So Vevor diesel heater, these are 10mm. So this is the guy causing the problem right now. This is 19. Now it says 19. Okay, let's change this guy. Remove this guy. Let's test the new guy. Yeah, 0.0 ohm. This guy must be good. So old and new comparison. Let's check the ohm again. 0.2. Okay, that's good. Let's test it together. Alright. It's blowing hot air, so let's turn this off. And in 1 hour I fixed the issue. So it was the glow plug. I had this issue before, but this time I need to change it. So I used another one. I have another spare piece for glow plug. Then also I have fuel pump. I have another fuel pump. So definitely order 2 glow plugs and 2 fuel pumps just in case. These are really cheap and you can fix it in just in an hour. So